Installing a modern shower valve isn't just about connecting pipes, it's about precision, safety, and long-term performance. In this guide, we'll walk through the full installation process in 5 clear steps, so everything works smoothly from day one. Step 1. Prep. Before starting, shut off the home's main water supply and drain the lines by opening a faucet at the lowest point. Make sure you understand the full scope of the project. This is an advanced installation. Gather all required tools, including screwdrivers, adjustable wrenches, PEX cutters, crimp tools, thread seal tape, and safety glasses. If this is a remodel, locate or create an access opening behind the valve. Step 2. Valve setup. Use the plaster ground as a template to mark the wall opening. Confirm wall thickness. Thick walls are over 1/4 inch, thin walls are under 1/4 inch. Position the valve with the up marking facing upward, centered about 45 to 48 inches from the shower floor. If installing 3 shower outlets, remove the limiter, clip, and cartridge. Then reinstall them after adjustment. For 2 outlets, leave them in place. Step 3. Plumbing. Measure and cut the 1/2 inch PEX tubing for hot and cold lines. Slide crimp rings onto the tubing. Connect the lines to the valve inlets and crimp securely. Attach the shower outlets. Outlet 1 for the primary shower, Outlet 2 for the secondary device, Outlet 3 if unused. Secure the valve to wall cross members for stability. Step 4. Flush and test. Turn the water supply back on and flush the system using the pre-installed flush plug for about 15 seconds. Check all connections for leaks, then shut the water off. Remove the flush plug and install the pressure balancing assembly and cartridge. Tightening by hand and then snug with a wrench. Step 5. Finish. Set the temperature limit stop to ensure water does not exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Install the decorative sleeve, mounting plate, escutcheon, and handles according to alignment marks. Tighten all set screws securely and restore the water supply for a final test. And that's it! Your shower valve installation is complete. Take your time, double-check each connection, and you'll have reliable performance for years to come. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more step-by-step plumbing and installation tips, and keep building smarter.